Hi guys, Yaz here. Today I wanted to show you how to take a stem cutting. So you can take stem cuttings off of a lot of plants, such as this heartleaf philodendron. So stem cuttings are literally a piece of stem that you can cut off an existing plant and use to create a new plant. So to start, you'll want to grab your plant and find a node. And a node is a brown bump on the underside of the stem right below a leaf. See if you can see that here. Starting at the tip of the vine, find a node, and then find the next leaf down, and then grab your scissors and cut 1/2 inch above that second leaf. We want to cut a little further down past the node to create a stem for the cutting to be supported in water. Now that you have your cutting, stick it in water and watch the roots grow. You'll want to replace the water once to twice a week in the first month of having the cutting. And then after the roots have grown about 2 inches, then you'll be able to plant it into soil. And that's it. That's how you take and care for a stem cutting.